This is the Frigidaire Countertop Ice Maker. We're very happy with this. Looks really great on the counter. Basically, our refrigerator stopped making ice, so we wanted to pick one of these up. It just works great. It does make a little bit of noise. It's not the quietest model, but it does make ice on demand. You put the water in, it makes it really quick. It comes with this scooper right here. Then this bucket holds 1.5 pounds of ice. This is the large pieces right here. It comes in small and large. We just have it set to large. Basically, you just put the water in there, and when it needs ice, like right now, you can see it'll be calling for ice. It'll make some new cubes and push them in there. This is the readout right here. It just says add water. Once the ice is full, power, small cubes or large cubes. So very easy to use. You could have this up and running and have some ice probably within about 15 minutes. I believe it makes up to like 26 pounds a day. We just use it for the 1.5 pounds right here. When that fills up, we just makes it on demand. We're not using it too much, but if you're looking to make it in bulk, just empty that out and it just keeps making it. But overall, very pleased with this thing. You can see it doesn't take up a lot of room. It has a decent sized cord here so you can move it around. Filling it up is very easy, and it makes some really great ice. So if you're looking for a countertop ice machine, absolutely check this one out. It has a really nice finish on it. Matches like the stainless steel appliances, toaster, things like that. Looks really great.